Do you know what are the trees on which the lac insect grows? How many crop seasons are there in lac cultivation? Or do you know what is brood lac? To get ideas about all these things, we must know the scientific method of lac cultivation. I'm your teacher Vignesh. Let's get into the topic.
Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years.
There are six major steps involved in the scientific method of lac cultivation, starting from the proper care of the host plants, which is going to provide the food and shelter for our lac insect. With the proper agronomic practices, the host plants are taken care of. Next step is the regular pruning of the host trees, as the lac insects larvae always prefer to feed on the tender twigs. We need to maintain the plant with the tender twigs all the time, which will be achieved only by the regular pruning of the host trees. The third step is inoculation or introduction of the lac insect to the host plant. After the brood lacs been introduced and the larva started to emerge, we have to remove the used up brood lac, which is the fourth step. Followed by that, there are lot of insect pests that are all involved in the lacs, which has to be taken care of. Finally, when the lac matures, the crop harvesting and the processing of lac. These are all the steps involved in the scientific method of lac cultivation. We will be seeing one by one in the coming slides. First, we will look into the inoculation. There are two types of inoculations. First, what is inoculation? Inoculation means the lac insects are introduced to the new area, that is the host tree, where they will be multiplying. There are two types of inoculation. One is natural infection, second one is artificial infection. Natural infection is like that the infection from one plant to other plants occurs by the natural movement of insect, which means we are not going to do any intervention in this process. We are just going to introduce them in the plant. They will be moving from one place to another naturally. And the second one is the artificial infection, where the brood lacs, we will be shifting the brood lac from one plant to another plant in the scientific manner. So what is mean by brood lac? Prior to about 2 weeks of hatching, lac bearing sticks are cut to the size of 6 inches. They are called the brood lac. After cutting the brood lacs from the sticks, it is going to be kept for about 2 weeks in some cool places. This is the brood lac we are talking about. In our previous class, we have seen that end of the egg laying is indicated by the yellow dot in the female cells. So as soon as we get that indication, the brood lacs been collected and kept for 2 weeks. Later on, it is going to be artificially inoculated with these methods. There are three methods involved, starting from the longitudinal infection, where the brood lac will be kept longitudinally with the twigs and they are tied. And the second one is the lateral infection, in which the two branches, they are kept closely and they are tied in the lateral ways. And in case of the interlaced infection, the nearby twigs are kept together and in the middle of it the brood is kept. And the brood lac are mostly inoculated as soon as the few larvae started to emerge from the brood lac. As soon as that occurs, the artificial inoculation is done or the brood lac is transferred to the host plant. Coming to the host trees of the lac insect or the food trees for the lac insect, there are six major trees that is involved in the food for the lac insect. They are babul, kushum, palas, kair, ber and siso. Based on the feeding habit of the lac insect only, the strains being classified. These are all the host trees we are talking about: Palas, Kushum and Bear. Palas trees, as they are summer deciduous in nature, means they will be shedding all their leaves during the summer time. Then there will not be any leaves available to protect the lac insect from the hot summer. In order to avoid that kind of situation, we have to do the proper pruning. When we do the pruning during the months of October to November, just before the inoculation, then it will provide the leaves for the summer crop. In this way, we can protect the lac insect during the summer time. This is also one of the important thing why we have to go for proper pruning. This is the next crop care, Acacia catechu, and the Flamingo semialata, which is already cultivated as a lac host plant and ready for the inoculation. So here comes the lac strains. As I already told that based on the feeding habit there are two strains, Kushmi and the Rangini. Kushmi strains, they are raised mainly on the kusum trees. This Rangini strain will grow on all other trees except the Kushmi tree. We can remember it like the Kush. Kush means the one who is happy. The one who is having less, that is only Kushmi tree, he is happy. So Kushmi strain is happy with the Kushmi tree alone. But Rangini, it is having all other hosts like Palas, Bear and all the hosts we are talking about. But Kusumi trees will not come in all other hosts. In agriculture, we are having two major seasons like Kharif and Rabi. In case of lac, there are such kind of cropping seasons with the four Hindi months in which the lac is harvested. Each Kushmi and Rangini is having two seasons. 2 seasons per year. So combining these two strains, we will be having the 4 seasons. In case of Kusmi, there are two crops like Agani, Jetvi, which will be having the duration of 6 months each. Inoculation for the Agani strain is done during the June to July and the harvesting will be done after 6 months, that is January to February. As soon as the harvesting is done for the Agani season, the next season Jatvi is going to be take place. The inoculation is done during the January to February during the Jatvi season and the harvesting will be done after the 6 months like June to July. The Rangini strains Katki and Baishaki are the two major crop seasons. Katki is having only 4 months. In case of Baisakhi, it is having 8 months. You can remember it like Katki is a 4 month into 2. Bai means 2. So 4 into 2, there will be 8 months. Katki season also starting from the June to July and the harvesting will be done during the October November, that is after 4 months. So as soon as the Katki season is over, the Baisakhi season starts by inoculation in October to November. Then after the 8th month, the harvesting will be done during the June to July. You can remember these months easily as there are only 4 months involved here, as there is the inoculation month for the one season will be the harvesting season for the another. For the Kusumi strain, we can remember it with the name of the actress Kajal. K for Kushmi, A for Agani, J for Jatvi. In case of Rangini strain, we can remember it with the Dhoni's old bat. You might be remembering the RBK bat. R for Rangini, B for Baishaki, K for Katki. This is the summary of what I taught. Now, each of the strains will produce the 2 crops in a year, which will be comprising the 4 crops totally, and the 90% of the lac produced in India comes from the Rangini strains. But quality wise, the Rangini strains are not that superior as comparing to the Kushumi strain. While we are looking into the yield, we can expect up to 2.5 to 3 times of the brood lac weight. We can expect this as a yield. For example, if we are using 1 kg of brood lac, we will get 2.5 kg of lac yield. In the next class, we will be looking into the processing technologies involved in the harvest aspects. Now let us move on to the question part. Okay, let's see if you can answer this. Question 1. Rangini strains grows on Pala, Bir, Kushmi, or both A and B? Comment the answers below. Second question is, what is brood lac? Lac stick after oviposition is over, lac stick before oviposition is over, lac stick with female cells, lac stick with after the emergence of larva. Kusumi strains are grown in the months of Agani, Baishaki, Katki, or none of the above. Jetwi crop is harvested during June to July, January to February, October to November, or none of the above. Which is a superior lac? Kusumi lac, Rangini lac, or both A and B, or none of them? How many lac crops are there in India? 2, 3, 5, or 4? Weight of the lac yield to the brood lac will be 2.5:1, 1:2.5, 2.5 is 3, 3 is 2.5. Find the odd one among these: Palas, Ber, Kusum, Rangini. Which one is odd? With this, we are coming to the conclusion. See you in the next class. Until then, bye bye and thank you for listening.